Did you spray with GMO? Get a camera at this window. I want to see what Earth looks like.
And right now I'm growing some flowering plants.
Fuck the plants. Get a camera at this window. I want to see what Earth looks like.
This world is a fucking joke. And the people got to realise that, you know, it's a fucking joke. This world is a fucking joke. And the people got to realise that.
If you have a cough that just won't go away, but you never really feel like it's serious enough to visit your doctor, lucky for you, our doctor is in this morning. It just may be time to get it checked out. Medical correspondent Dr. Jennifer Ashton is back with some of the possible reasons for a chronic cough. It seemed like there was a lot of this going around.
This world is a fucking joke. And the people got to realise that, you know, it's a fucking joke.
Something like a cold and not allergies.
Well, listen, Erica, in medical school, this is one of the actually most difficult things doctors have to learn about because the differential, as we call it, is so long, and not every cough comes from the lungs. Sometimes it can come from the stomach or GI tract, sometimes it can come from the heart. But when you talk about just this time of year, yes, a lot of people have colds. Upper respiratory infections is the medical term.
Isn't that beautiful?
But we're also starting to see some allergies, and of course you can see allergies at any time of the year. Really the key difference is that people who suffer from allergies usually have other symptoms. They might have some itchy eyes, they might have a stuffy nose. People who have colds.
Isn't that beautiful?
Smokers.
Correct. Chronic obstructive.
Isn't that beautiful?
That's like trying to convince me that politicians are the most caring people on this planet.
Isn't that beautiful? Used to see sign writing, little planes do sign writing all the time, and used to think that was great, you know. It doesn't happen anymore. I can't remember the last time I've seen that, and there's a reason for that. And the reason is they do not want us looking up in the sky. They do not want us looking at the sky because people will soon awake to this. They don't spray often on weekends, on Saturdays especially, because a lot of people are outside playing golf and what have you, obviously not inside working. That's a reason why they don't try to spray much on weekends. Oh, they'll spray when it's cloudy, all right, don't worry about that. But when it's a clear day, which that's another thing, you might want to notice that the skies aren't as clear anymore. Even when you see a blue sky, it's not even truly blue. It's got this haze everywhere, and people might think that's like pollution. Oh, I hate to tell you what it really is. It's what they've been spraying on us. And I'll just leave it at that. I had to bring this out because the mainstream media doesn't want to know about it. Like I said, I've made a number of calls to politicians and written letters. I've had no replies about this. There's a fantastic documentary that you can all get your hands on. It's called What in the World Are They Spraying? What in the World Are They Spraying? It was only made about a year ago. People behind it, it's staggering how they're keeping this quiet. It's obviously the people down the lower levels and the Qantas people. Who even knows if the pilots are in on it? I mean, whoever's pushing the buttons, they probably think it's for a good cause, for whatever, you know, cooling the planet. But up the top, you know, that's where the evil is, whoever that may be. And that's what we have to fix. It's a crisis. Time will tell whether I'm right or not. But I know deep down in my heart what I'm saying is true. So please, people, do your research. Chemtrail, it's all over the internet, all over it. I mean, what I've shown over Melbourne, it's nothing compared to what you see, vision of what's going on in places like America and England, where the whole sky is covered in crisscrosses and